Hi, I'm Evan. I'm new here at Autel Robotics, and today they left me in charge of performance testing the Evo 2. So today, on the inaugural episode of Can You Even Evo, we'll be testing stability. Where's the best place to start with stability? The propellers. Round one. Now I know what you're thinking. Please do not do this. This is purely for demonstrational purposes only. We're doing this so that you don't have to. And believe it or not, this is exactly why they hired me. Round two. Round three. Round four. So I think we're going to wrap it up there for today. Looks like the results speak for themselves. Catch us next time on Can You Even Evo?